I'm going to teach you how to do a Dutch braid today. So I'm just going to do a side one. I've gotten a lot of requests for it, so that's what I'm going to do. So what I do is I start from the part, so wherever your part's at, I get 3 pieces, just kind of like this size. And so I just get 3 right next to each other. So there's 3 different ones. And so you put one under, and then you bring in the middle one over, and then you do the next one under, and then so now I'm on the other side, and I'm gathering a little bit of hair, and I'm going under the middle one, bring it over, and now I'm in the front to gather a little bit of hair, go under the middle one, and bring it over. And so you keep doing that, so you never use the middle one, you never start from there, you always go from each side. And you just gather a couple pieces, like a little bit of hair each time you go under. So this is what it looks like so far. And then we'll keep doing that really quick. So now I'm going to stop gathering my hair right here, and then I'm just going to braid like regular. So I'm going to stop right here. There's obviously quite a bit of hair left. What I'm going to do is just get this elastic. They're just like these little elastics that you can get from like Target, Walmart, Ulta, Sally's, any of those, and you just put it around. I usually use the clear one, but mine are all packed, but I'll just use this black one. And then, so you can keep it like this if you want to. Just keep it down, you can put it back, you can put it in a bun, kind of whatever you're wanting. But I usually like to thicken mine out, make it a little bit of a thicker braid. So what I do is I hold this part, and then I get the 2 pieces here, and I start spreading it, pulling it a little bit. Here, I'll make this a little bit tighter. And so I have those pieces pretty loose, and then you just kind of go up, and you just go up the braid, and just pull, not super hard, just a little bit to kind of flare it out a little bit. Go all the way to the top. And then just go right back down. And you can do it as much as you want, depending on how like big you want the braid to be. So whatever desired look you like. So keep doing that. And then, so now it's a little bit thicker. I can put it back again in the half. You can do a bun, whatever you kind of like. You can just do a braid back here along with it, whatever you like. But so that's how you do a Dutch braid in the thick. If you have any questions, comment. You can message me on Instagram, or anything like that. The next one I'm going to do is Dutch braid where it's the 2, and kind of show how to do it with your whole head. But yeah, thanks for watching.